Welcome to the video, Building Intelligent Mobile Apps with Machine Learning Models. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the fundamentals of machine learning, ML, and its types. Analyze the advantages of integrating ML into mobile apps. Outline the steps to build intelligent mobile apps using ML. And identify ready-to-use ML components for application development. In today's tech-driven world, mobile apps are everywhere from enhancing photos to recommending songs. But what sets intelligent apps apart? It's machine learning, a technology that empowers apps to learn, adapt, and deliver exceptional user experiences. Let's dive into how ML is shaping the future of mobile applications. Machine learning, or ML, is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data rather than following fixed instructions. For instance, Google Photos uses machine learning to recognize faces and automatically categorize photos, making them easier to search. There are three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, such as predicting housing prices based on historical sales data. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data to identify patterns, such as grouping users based on how they interact with an app. Finally, reinforcement learning involves teaching an agent to make decisions by rewarding or penalizing its actions, such as how AI learns to win video games by maximizing scores. Now that we understand what machine learning is, let's explore why it's a game changer for mobile apps. Machine learning can transform apps in several ways. It enhances personalization by analyzing user behavior to create tailored experiences. For example, Spotify recommends songs based on your listening history. It also improves user experience through features such as voice recognition, as seen with Siri or Google Assistant. Additionally, machine learning automates repetitive tasks, making apps more efficient. Consider autocorrect in messaging apps, which adapt to your typing style over time. With these benefits in mind, let's look at how you can start building intelligent mobile apps using machine learning. The first step is to define the problem you want to solve. Are you creating an app that predicts weather conditions or one that suggests recipes based on available ingredients? A clear problem definition sets the direction for your development process. Next, you'll need data, which is the foundation of machine learning. This data can come from public datasets, such as those on Kaggle, or through APIs, such as OpenWeatherMap for real-time information. Once you have your data, the next step is to choose a suitable machine learning framework. Popular options include TensorFlow Lite for lightweight mobile models, Core ML for iOS apps, and Google's MLKit, which offers pre-built models for tasks such as face detection and text recognition. After selecting your framework, you can train your machine learning model. For instance, if you're building a spam detection app, you'd train your model using a dataset of emails labeled as spam or not spam. During this step, tools such as Jupyter Notebooks can help visualize and fine-tune your model's performance. Once your model is trained, it's important to evaluate its performance using metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall. Splitting your data into training and testing sets ensures the model can handle unseen data effectively. If the results are satisfactory, you can integrate the model into your mobile app using the chosen framework. Thorough testing across different devices ensures your app functions efficiently, especially considering the resource-intensive nature of some ML models. Finally, deploy your app on platforms such as the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and monitor user feedback to make continuous improvements. While building ML models from scratch is rewarding, leveraging ready-to-use components can save time and effort. Companies such as Google, Amazon, and Apple offer robust tools for integrating machine learning. For example, Google provides TensorFlow Lite for cross-platform apps and MLKit, which integrates seamlessly with Android and iOS. Apple's Core ML is optimized for iOS devices, while Amazon Web Services offers AutoML tools such as SageMaker to streamline the development process. These tools make adding ML features to your app as straightforward as integrating a plugin. Machine learning is the cornerstone of intelligent mobile apps, enabling them to learn from data, automate tasks, and deliver exceptional user experiences. Whether you're building from scratch or leveraging ready-to-use components, integrating machine learning into your mobile app will ensure it stands out in today's competitive landscape. In this video, you learned that machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables apps to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions without explicit programming. You also learned how machine learning enhances mobile apps by enabling personalization, automating tasks, and improving user experiences with intelligent features such as voice recognition and autocorrect. You discovered that ready-to-use components such as TensorFlow Lite, Core ML, and MLKit streamline the integration of machine learning into apps, making advanced features accessible to developers. Finally, you learned how machine learning empowers mobile apps to stand out in competitive markets by delivering innovative, efficient, and engaging experiences tailored to user needs.